Found to drain the coolant was to take this clip off down here and just let the coolant drain from here. You don't have to let it drain all the way, but a good amount so that you don't get stuff all over you when you take the EGR cooler off. I'm going to see if that's enough for now. Put that clip back on. And so that's an easy way to drain the coolant. And then you want to come up here and disconnect all the lines from the EGR cooler. Do that, and then we'll come back, take that off. Again, this little pick is your best friend. Take that off. Take that clip off.